Welcome to our MathLinks webinar, Dig into Intervention, Addition and Subtraction Skill Boosters. As we all know, many students in middle school and beyond struggle with fractions. In this session, we are going to learn some strategies for helping students fill holes in their background knowledge. I'm Shelley Kriegler, one of the authors of MathLinks, and our presenter today is another MathLinks author, Mark Goldstein. Take it away, Mark.
Thanks, Shelley. Let's get started. Research tells us that students who don't have a good grasp of fractions need both conceptual understanding and skills fluency. In this session, we will focus on skills and show you how to create a routine to help students practice fraction addition and subtraction. These routines are what we like to call skill boosters, which are designed to help students fill in holes while staying current on grade level material. We generally focus on one big idea for about 5 weeks and then move on to the next. Here's some more about what we've learned from research and experience. Whole and rational number concepts and operations are critical to moving forward in the middle grades and beyond. Concept development always comes before procedural fluency, so try to make sure the groundwork has been laid before doing skills practice. Visuals can be a good starting place for the concept development piece. This review of basic skills should not be the entire focus of the course. Keep students on pace with current work as much as possible and carve out about 10 minutes per day for quick remedial skills practice. Remember that struggling learners need structure. Here's our 6-step plan for creating skill boosters for any topic. Today we're going to show you how we do this for fraction addition and subtraction. Our first step is to identify specific fraction subskills. We find that about 5 to 10 subskills works fine. Step 2 is to create some sample exercises. In the first 2 rows, for example, we see that students should be able to add and subtract proper fractions with or without a diagram. Notice that the first level is common denominators, the second level is denominators where one is a multiple of the other, and the third level is denominators that are relatively prime. For step 3, we make a pre- and post-assessment. Here are a few quick examples of some of the subskills from before. All of these computations could be done with a diagram. This top one might be done mentally. Notice the fifth's add to a whole. This middle one might be done easier with paper and pencil. This last one might be done mentally as well if students have been taught appropriate strategies. In step 4, we have a sample schedule practicing 4 skills per week for 5 weeks. You'll see that each skill comes up a few times. We even snuck in some practice with whole numbers and fraction ordering and equivalence. Next, we'll look at week 1 more closely. For this step, we have an example of what week 1 might look like. In this example, there are 4 problems per day for 4 days, but feel free to do a different number of days or problems per day, whatever works for you and your students. That includes skipping or changing problems depending upon student need. You'll notice the problems are very similar from day to day in any given week, and you can create these problems on the fly. And then it's on to week 2 for a different set of problems for those 4 days, and so on. Finally, step 6 is to make sure there is an accountability plan in place. This is an example of a template that you can copy double-sided to record 4 days worth of work. Research tells us that self-monitoring is important for student confidence and success, so we included something for this at the bottom of the form. Let's take a closer look. This is quick and easy to use. Students list the skill and let you know if they don't get it, kind of get it, or really get it. We hope you found the strategies for creating skill booster routines helpful. To find the handouts for what we shared with you, go to our website.
Thank you, Mark. The Center for Math and Teaching is the home for all MathLinks programs. These include comprehensive curriculum for grades 6 through 8, customized intervention programs, and professional development. For more information about our programs, please visit our website at www.mathandteaching.org. We hope you found this session valuable. Please feel free to contact us anytime. Thanks for joining. See you next time.